What is critical thinking?
Critical thinking is the intellectually disciplined process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and/or evaluating information gathered from, or generated by, observation, experience, reflection, reasoning, or communication, as a guide to belief and action. 7 ways to think more critically. Ask basic questions.
The world is complicated. But does every problem require a complicated solution?
Question basic assumptions. Be aware of your mental processes. Try reversing things. Evaluate the existing evidence. Remember to think for yourself. Understand that no one thinks critically 100% of the time. It is not the fruits of scientific research that elevate man and enrich his nature, but the urge to understand, the intellectual work, creative or receptive. Hello, I am Ali Tamar. Subscribe our channel Thinking Level. Thank you.